Hi, I'm Dick. This video is a preview of the ultimate version of a row sorting on selected column within Power BI Matrix. Days ago, I uploaded an initial version preview of a row sorting on selected columns within Matrix. And of course, there is always room for improvement. And that's why now I present you an ultimate version. Now, what is the difference? You see that the column slicer, I already make it here with 6 columns, including sales, GP percentage, sales variance, GP percentage variance, all are here. And display total, this is an additional features. For the year, I still remain here. And then, but for the last end month, I change it to a drop-down slicer. All right. And because I show the display total in here, select or deselect. If you select this, I will add a total in here. What does it mean? You can sort on the total or any year month. All right. However, you see that from 2022-01 to 2023-08, we have around 20 year month, and then each year month we have a 6 column. In total is 132 column. All right, and plus the total. I only display the sales GP and GP percentage. It is not possible to show the sales variance, GP variance, GP percentage variance because I need to sort out what total to be compared with this total. Okay, so that's why I ignore all the variance. Just show you sales GP and GP percentage. But unfortunately, Matrix only show at most 100 columns. This is the columns except the row total, row header. Now this is the row header. If you have more than a column of row header, it would not be included in the calculation of 100 columns. So here, since I did not select any specific year month, that means, since I did not pick up the last end month, any last end month, I did not make any selection. That's why we present all. Then, since it exceeds 100 columns, so the matrix will just stop at the 100th column and won't display any columns more than 100. So that's why you see here 2023-04, while our smallest month, year month is 2022-01. All right. Anyway, let's select the sales and GP first. Now you see that in the short column, I still show 2 options for you to select which column we are going to sort. Okay. Now if nothing selected in the year month, and also short column, I will assume sales. Sales is the default. And then total is also the default of year month. That's why you see that in here, the total is selected. All right. Since I only display 2 columns for each year month, and it would not exceed the 100 columns limit. So you can see that it is 2022-01 is here. And the total is the 20-month sum up total. Anyway, it is meaningless. So that's why whenever you choose what column to display, I will allow you to whether display or not display the total. Okay, so in here, I should better not display the total. But if I just select last 3 months, now this time the refresh or recalculation may take a little bit long time, more than 3 or 5 seconds. Anyway, it's still tolerable. Anyway, you see here, 2023-08, 2023-07, and then total. Okay. If I click on sales variance, include this column. Now, it may take 3 to 5 seconds and at most 8 seconds. Now, so here, you see that it will not include the sales variance. I apply the same logic because for this total, it's meaningless to assume a total for this variance calculation. It doesn't mean anything. That's why I ignore. All right. And you see that one more improvement. For example, I click on the sales variance. 3 to 5 seconds for this to recalculate. And then now since a sales variance, we don't assume it to be valid in total. So there is no yellow background color. So that's why I need to select a year month. Then you still need to recalculate the result and show you the yellow color. All right. You see that the positive first and then the negative. All the empty row, I will put it down below the negative. Okay. If you choose ascending, see, this is a recalculation sign. Okay, this is the negative largest. And then here, all right, this is the major improvement in the matrix presentation. And also the total, display total, sort on total. And also you can just select 1 column of each year month to display. Now see, if I just click on sales, here, it's still under recalculation. All right, 2023, August, July, June. All right, and because I click on the sales variance, it's no longer valid. I need to click on the sales in order to do the sorting of 2023-08. Now it's still under recalculation. All right, this is in ascending order. See, the empty row is put down below, all the way down. All right, so it is a better display. I hope you will find this video helpful. If you like it, please click the like button. And if you want to see the update of this channel, click subscribe button. Many thanks. Happy PBI journey.